Hey there, it's Alex from WTI. If you like to make stickers, I can't say enough good things about this holographic sticker sheets from Cubic Coating. I like that the paper came not only wrapped with a cellophane, but also has a nice heavier plastic folder with a Velcro closure. I like this because it keeps my paper clean and in excellent condition. I really appreciate that. What I like most about this sticker paper is how easy the back peels away from the sticker. With a little twist in the paper, the sticker peels off and you're ready to decorate with them. I've used other paper in the past and you're manipulating the paper so much to get the back off, they either tear or they get crumpled. The paper worked perfectly in my cutting machine. I selected the correct media and the stickers were cut out in the first try. I love that. I prefer to use my cutting machine for a more precise cut, but you can use regular scissors too. The holographic option is so lovely. It adds an interesting element to your designs, especially if you're just printing out black and white designs. I love this panda, he's so cute. Cubic Coating offers a stellar holographic sticker paper. I'm really happy and excited to have worked with these sticker sheets from Cubic Coating, and that's my point of view.